Hey guys, today I'll be showing you popular everyday hairstyles for back to school. Start off by dividing the hair in the middle so you have two sections. Then start at the top by making 3 equal sections. Now make sure that the side strand goes under the middle strand as you add more hair into each section. And remember that every time you bring the side strand, it will become the middle strand. For a sleek look, always smooth the strands that you are picking from the sides. Also, that you are grabbing the same amount of hair on each side. A little trick that helped me is to repeat in your mind over and under until you get the hang of the pattern. Make sure to look down as you get closer to the bottom so that the braid is as close to the scalp as possible. These are the final result. If you want more of a relaxed look, you can always pull on the braid for a chunkier look or leave a few face framing pieces at the front. This next hairstyle is perfect for people who have curtain bangs or short face framing pieces. Start off by dividing a small triangle at the front and pinning it away. Follow the middle point of the triangle, then split into 2 sections. Start with one side and pin the excess hair away. Repeat the same step as we did with the previous hairstyle, going over and under until you reach the brown area of the head. Once the braids are done on both sides, grab the excess hair on the sides and smooth it out with the boa bristle brush and tie it up together. Grab a small piece of hair from the side and twist it around the hair tie, then use bobby pins in a crisscross to secure it into place. This hairstyle is also perfect for short hair girlies who want to spice up their half down, half up look. The third hairstyle is very similar to the second one, but this time we will braid the excess hair on the side as well. Repeat the same parting steps of hairstyle number 2. Then braid the hair until you reach the crown area. Repeat the same on the other side. Once both sides are braided, tie them together. This hairstyle can be worn with face framing pieces, or you can also braid the face framing pieces if you like the hair out of your face. It's also short hair friendly. Now on to the last hairstyle. This is a little more complex because of the small braids, but it's nothing you can achieve if you take time and practice. Start off by parting the hair into a big triangle. Then part 2 small sections on the side of the triangle, going straight down until you reach the end of the back. It should be about an inch or an inch and a half. Braid a small section you parted until you reach the back of the head and secure it with an elastic. Pin it away any excess hair so you don't get it into the braid. Repeat the same to the other side. Now it's time to tie all the hair together. The best method to get a slick ponytail is to do it in sections. First the back, then the sides, and lastly the top part. Once everything is tied up, grab a small section at the side of the ponytail and wrap it around, and secure it with a bobby pin. A little tip: if you have a fake ponytail, this is the perfect way to spice up the look for a more voluminous look. Thank you for watching. Please comment any other hair videos you would like to see.